Giving good advice in counseling. Giving advice, especially in counseling, isn't always as simple as it sounds. It's not about having all the answers. In fact, sometimes the most valuable thing we can offer isn't a solution, it's the space to explore, reflect, and find our own path. While counselors are often advised against giving advice, there may be times when it's appropriate or even requested by the client. In this video, we'll delve into the nuances of giving advice in a counseling context and provide practical tips for doing so effectively. What are the pros and cons of giving advice? Pros: giving advice can provide guidance and support, validate the client's experiences, and demonstrate empathy. Cons: giving advice can undermine the client's autonomy, create a dependency on the counselor, and limit the client's ability to find their own solutions. Tips for giving advice effectively: avoid unsolicited advice. Only offer advice when explicitly requested by the client. Acknowledge the client's expertise. Recognize the client's own knowledge and resources. Offer suggestions, not directives. Present advice as possibilities rather than mandates. Be open to feedback. Allow the client to share their thoughts and feelings about your advice. Here are some case studies. Case 1. A client asks for advice on how to deal with a difficult relationship. Case 2. A client is struggling with a decision and seeks guidance. In conclusion, giving advice in counseling requires careful consideration. By understanding the potential benefits and drawbacks, and by following the tips provided, counselors can offer guidance that empowers clients to find their own solutions.